I-ANC eGauteng isigcine izithathela izinyathelo zokuqondisa izigwegwe lezo zisebenzi zikamasipala ezingazange zithathe izinyathelo ngokwenzeka ebhange iVBS Mutual. Osekomidini lezokuxhumana nowayeyimeya yomkhandlu iWest Rand uBoyise kudingeke ukuthi ashenxe esikhundleni sakhe ngenxa yokuthi akazange azithathele izinyathelo izisebenzi ezafaka imali yomkhandlu kuleli bhange.
The PEC deliberated extensively on the report and decided to accept the findings and the recommendations of the PIC. Accordingly, Comrade Mapifo Letsiye Mukhale will step down as the executive mayor of Merafong local municipality, and Comrade Boyise Maneli will step down as member of parliament.
Usotswebhu omkhulu ePhalamende uPhemi Majortina uthi unobhala jikelele we-ANC uAce Magashule bengakasho lutho ngokuhoxa kukaManeli ePhalamende.
Ngokomgaqo-nkqubo nomgaqo-siseko olawula amalungu ePhalamende, ndilindele into yoba unobhala jikelele we-ANC andithumele imbalelwano endichazelayo into yoba ilungu Honorable Boyise Maneli lirhoxisiwe ePhalamende. Kulo mbalelwano kumele ancamathisele incwadi yokurhoxa kaHonorable Maneli. Okwangoku andikafumani into itshoyo ke, ithi ke loo nto uselilungu de sibe sizawufumana imbalelwano esemthethweni.
I-ANC ithi uManeli kanye nemeya yaseMarifong uMaphofu abazange batshontshe imali kodwa bahluleka ukuthathela izinyathelo lezo zisebenzi ezafaka imali yomasipala kuleli bhange iVBS Mutual. NginguSamkele Maseko wezindaba zeSABC eGoli.